hate going to Spanish Town. It's so hectic there.
You hate going
But
to Spanish Town?
yes,
Why?
because it's too crowded. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Amari and I are about to, I don't know, I have a doctor's appointment, so I'm gonna do that, and then I want to visit my sister. I wanted to leave out a bit earlier, but you know how it goes. Like, I'm just honestly just can't wanna leave my house these days. Stop. So yeah, because it looks like it's gonna rain and all of that. I want to stay home. Go. Leaving the doctor's office, no. Guys, I've put on like 5 pounds already. That's like really bad. Like, I need to go on like a diet or something, because 5 pounds already, like, no. So anyways, we're going out in the street now, so no recording. Come, let me show them now. So, Amara got a little truck. Show them your truck. Nice. You love it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. So, I'm on my way to my sister's house now. We're almost there. Guys, if I hate leaving the house. I hate going to Spanish Town. It's so hectic there.
You hate going
But
to Spanish Town?
yes,
Why?
because it's too crowded.
Crowded?
Yeah.
I'm not scared of Spanish Town.
You're not scared of Spanish Town? That's good for you. But anyways, I stopped into this little store and I saw some really cute baby stuff, and I just got 2 little pieces because I thought they were cute and kind of neutral, so I got those. Yeah. Hey guys, so I didn't really film much yesterday, so I decided to just continue the vlog off today. So I'm making breakfast. I was trying to show you guys what I was making, but I just cannot find a place to put the phone properly, so I've just worked like this. Anyways, my neighbor just gave me some cane and some banana, so I'm gonna put these up. Alright, so I was trying to decide if I wanted to make pancake or what other something called the bread, French toast. So I decided I'm going to make French toast instead. Wait, I don't know what else, but Amar already has his breakfast. I already bought 2 eggs for him and gave him an apple and some milk. Hopefully him drink the milk thing. But yeah, that's what Amari is currently having, and I'm just about to make something for myself. So what I intend to make is French toast with eggs, 2 slices of plantain, and probably a piece of bacon. Not making like a lot of it, just little because I don't think I can eat off everything. So my bread. This is the bread I'm using. I've got 2 eggs. I'm just going to use 1 in the butter and then 1 to fry. Got my syrup and plantain, and I have bacon. This says barbecue flavored. I've never had the barbecue flavor before, so I'm just going to do one piece. So this is kind of like a taste test. But anywho, let's get the show on the road. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a different angle for the phone. So hold on. Alright, basic colors is gonna have to work because I just can't find a different angle. But you can see everything that I'm doing. But anyways, oh, I was supposed to show you guys the little outfit thingy that I got for baby yesterday, and I didn't. So I'm going to show it to you as soon as I finish slicing up my plantain. But I showed it to my sister, and she's like, "Oh, a boy put me a plan for, so that's what you buy them." I'm like, can't be a scholar work for anybody, though. Don't have a big boy. As far as me concerned, they're gender neutral, so that may work with. Where's that thing? I'm looking. I can't find a mellow, and it is. Alright. I'm gonna just do whatever else, so now I'm gonna do my pancake. No, I'm gonna show you the thing first before I mess up my hands. Alright. So I got this. I mean, look at it. It's so cute. Like, girls can wear this, right? So it doesn't matter. It's as far as I'm concerned, it's gender neutral. It's just because it's blue, why she said that. But anyways, this is this. Then I got this other little one. This one was just so cute. I mean, like, it's so tiny and cute, but yeah, these are the only two that I got. So, yeah. I also got a few pieces of stuff for Amari because he needed some clothes. So I got him what if I do it and then I don't like it? Alright, hold on. That is why I'm only going to do one piece. One piece. So, you know what I don't like? Like yesterday I wanted to experiment with something, right? And I was in Spanish Town, and for the love of me, I could not find the stuff that I wanted. I mean, like basic stuff, you know, and I'm like, I know there's one store in Alpha Tree that might sell it, but I didn't want to go all the way to Kingston yesterday. Like, no, I just need to go to Spanish Town, and whatever I want, I can get it to Spanish Town. It's just like, I just can't bother with Jamaica, and well, you just never can get stuff that you want. One strip. You just can never. And it frustrates me, say, even for like stuff for the baby, I want some gender neutral stuff, like gender neutral, so whatever from. And for most of the places you can just find it's either girl or boy. You just know in between. The only neutral thing you might can find are like some plain white onesies and stuff like that, but that's all. I mean, so stuff like that I'm going to have to like get off Amazon or whatever, because I don't, if it's a boy, I just don't want everything to be blue or stuff like that. Or if it's a girl, I don't just want to wear pink things. Like, no, why? Anyways, so that frustrates me. So you just cannot get stuff that you want. guys. Anywho, let me get to making my breakfast. So, I have not. Let me go to first. Fried plantain. I have not made French toast in forever. Like I don't know the last time I made French toast. So right now, I basically wing it because I don't remember everything that's supposed to go on. Just know the eggs supposed to be in here, and milk. But anyways, I'm gonna eat it though. So anyway, make it just make simple. 1, 2, 1, 2, and milk. I know that when you're pregnant, you're supposed to like drink milk and stuff. But to be honest, I haven't been drinking any milk or anything like that. It's just, it don't taste good to me. Like, I don't know. But when I was pregnant with Amari, oh Jesus, milk was my thing. Like, but then I had heartburn, so I guess that was later down. I don't remember, but I had heartburn with Amari, like constantly. So milk was the only thing that kind of helped me. So I guess that's that. But right now I'm just eating whatever I can stomach, whatever can go down. Like, everything just is. Like I was telling my sister that I would not go out no to like a nice restaurant or anything to eat anything nice because I wouldn't enjoy it because things just don't taste as nice right now. So that's not good work. So it's kind of frustrating, to be honest, because yeah. But anywho, it is what it is. It is what it is. Something else supposed to get in this one, but I don't remember what. So I added egg, milk, salt. Oh, look at sugar there. Hey, one thing with planting now, once you take your eye off right now, subscribe. Them just want bun. Can't take your eye off a planting. Like, planting so easy to burn, like. Why? Like 2 seconds and anywho, if there's anything that you guys want to know, drop it down in the comments. If there's any particular video you want me to do, maybe in relation to like the pregnancy or anything like that, then drop it down below. Ow. I'll do bacon. Ow! It did. Say hi.
Hi.
I thought you didn't know.
I'm playing.
You're playing.
What's that?
What? It's egg and milk and salt.
They got milk and salt? That's dangerous. What are you using for that?
I'm going to make French toast. So I'm going to put the bread in it and then put the bread in the pot.
No, don't put the bread in the pot.
Right?
It has to be eaten.
Yeah, I'm going to eat it.
It cannot be cooked.
I've never done this before. So he has basically never had French toast or seen me do French toast. So yeah. Hey, good boy.
Hi, everybody. I'm so big. I'm so big.
Alright, so my eggs and my bacon is done. So
Bacon done.
going to do the French toast, then I'm going to scramble the egg after, I think. But yeah. Alright, come down. What was I saying before American? I don't remember. But anyways, yeah. So I'm just gonna focus on this a little bit and then come back. So I'll catch you guys a little bit later. Alright, so I just finished making my breakfast. Guys, I typically never take this long to make anything for myself in the morning. It's just fry one egg, put it with 2 pieces of bread, and you're good to go. Like, I typically don't do this. So looking at the plate now, I'm wondering like, this like a crack on more pounds for me. But anyways, I might not eat everything and whatever. And I was googling the other day, well, this morning, about the average weight gain by a pregnant woman, and it's like between 20 to 35. So I'm trying to watch it. I don't want to gain that much because then it's going to be hard to lose it, especially for a person like me who don't exercise. So anyways, I'm just going to show you what I have done. Then I'm going to end the vlog because it's Wednesday and the video that should go up today is not even edited. So I've got a ton of things to do. So I'm just going to say bye now. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And just share it with a friend and tell a friend to tell a friend. So bye guys. Take a look at my breakfast. Alright, so this is it. 2 toasts, the barbecue bacon, plantain, bananas, eggs, and I just added a little bit of milk and mozzarella cheese to that. So, and I have iced coffee over here. It's not a lot of ice, but it's well cold. So that's breakfast.